Right, so you're at your burn barrel. You want to burn some trash, or you have a bunch of brush you want to burn up. And you can use a little bit of accelerant, like charcoal lighter fluid in a lighter. But fuck that. That shit's boring. So this week on Redneck Muff Busters, we're going to see if we can make a flamethrower out of a weed/garden sprayer. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need is an empty pump-up sprayer, or empty yourself a fountain sprayer. Then add some wire, liberal application of the handyman secret weapon, duct tape, a Leatherman, and a liberal application of just gonna fucking send it. First thing you want to do is take your container and fill with Duct Tape Tech Special Send It Accelerant Sauce with 69 herbs and spices. Pump it. Now twist your wire and leave a loop, because that's where you're going to soak. You're going to stick your hydrocarbon soaked rag in here. Whatever preferred recycled dinosaur you prefer. Twist this to length. You take your old greasy old Leatherman, cut the wires off, which you don't need. Next, put it all together. Handyman secret weapon. You know, they say silence is golden. Silver makes it happen. Alright, everything's put together. I say we fucking send it all the way. Now with a project like this, safety is paramount. You want to make sure you're wearing a face shield, gloves, eye protection, all that stuff. Actually, who am I kidding? Safety went out the window fucking 2 hours ago. Send it. You don't need fucking weed killer.